What's up, everyone? This is Henry here, and thanks for tuning in. Before I get into the video, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description below where you will find my social medias in my store. Alright, should you tell people about your stack? What I mean by stack is gold and silver. My answer to that is it depends on who that person or persons are. For example, if you have any family members, siblings, and if you guys are having a chit chat, you may, if you trust them, because some family can turn on you, but if you do trust them, you might bring it up, tell them that you stack because, for example, I did tell one of my aunts that's that I stack, and she told me that one of my cousins stacked too, and I didn't know that. So obviously, you want to know that you can trust whoever you tell, and it doesn't matter if you're friends too, because if you tell them if if you don't end up telling them specifically not to tell any people, like not to tell people that you don't know, it can be a whole domino effect. Like, for example, you tell, okay, I tell my aunts, because I kind of didn't tell her not to tell anyone else, but yeah, I tell my aunt, and then she tells someone else, and then that person tells someone else, and then that someone else can get wind of where you live, or try to finesse you, make a fake account, and try to pretend that there's someone else, and to try to get your address. People are smart nowadays. You got, well, criminals aren't as dumb as you think. You got to kind of think like one and take these type of precautions in general, guys, because they can finesse you and into giving you your address, and then they'll stalk you, spy on you, get your schedule when you're going to be home, when you're going to be at work, and then they're going to break into your house and steal your stuff. And also, if you have silver and gold in banks, I do want to kind of explain this in another video, but I'm going to be brief here. Um, don't put your precious metals in a safety deposit box. I think I told people to do it, but when I've done some research about it, and that's not the best spot or place to put your precious metals, because it's not your metal, it's their metals. You know, it's yours when you're holding it, physically when it's here in your house. But anyway, um, if you do tell whoever, friend, sibling, relative that you stack, and you tell them not to tell people, um, you know, sometimes people slip up and say, my nephew to whoever, etc., he stacks as well, and that can catch the eye, and that's how it happens as well. But overall, guys, I think it just depends, if you're comfortable with telling them or not. Me, I'm comfortable with my family. Um, and myself as well, because someone come up, someone come up in here. Yeah, yeah, that's gonna be the last time you come in someone's house. And yeah, like you obviously want to have security cameras and stuff as well. If you're out, have the motion sensor on, and you want to have have neighbors that you can trust, and ask them if they can look out for you. For they can look over your house if you go on a vacation. You can give them a few bucks, to do that, like $50. They'll do it. They will do it. Because nowadays, guys, nothing's free. Everyone's struggling. So if you give your neighbor 50, $100 if you're going out to Hawaii, or, Bahamas or somewhere like that for a week, come on. Or 2 weeks, come on. Yeah, $100, guys, to look after your shit. Yeah, people need to stop being so greedy. But anyway, off topic again, but, that's a security thing that you can take as well. And the best security is not to tell anyone, but I got family that watches my channel, so yeah, it is what it is. But like I said, I trust my family and my siblings, and sometimes if stuff could happen, they could slip up, say, by accident, and I know better. Sorry about that, guys. My timer went off because the rants. Anyway, yeah, I don't tell anyone that I don't know. If someone's Facebooking me or Instagramming me and about if they try and want my address and stuff, it's common sense not to tell anyone that you don't know about your address unless you're like in business with them. Like, for example, I go to auctions and obviously you got to give out your address or your PO box for they can ship you out your stuff. People that you obviously trust. But strangers that you don't know nothing about or anything like that, don't give out your address, guys. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna stop with the whole ranting stuff. I know um, I love ranting and I don't like making my videos too long, but I just want to give you guys, this video here. It's a nice topic to talk about. Overall, it depends on who you trust. Like I said, it depends on who you trust, and and if you don't want to tell anyone, you don't have to. You can be very private, but like I said, again, I trust my folks, and yeah, there's that. Anyway, if you guys got any good information, make sure you smack that like button on your way out. Subscribe if you're new. All that good stuff I mentioned in the beginning. Other than that, hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, carry a gun, get prepared, and start stacking. And as always, have a nice day.